I'm here, representative from DBE, MPLs. I'm not going to go too much. I will stand on the protocol that has been reserved because of time. But mine here is to pass the vote of thanks. Let me start by thanking Ubaba Esekumile for taking us in the memory lane in history, Kababu Solomon Mahlangu, and also welcoming us at Ethekwini Municipality, Mamweziwe, for the purpose that you have unpacked for us, Siyabonga kakhulu. Besides you unpacking the purpose, but I must indicate to you that this is your work, together with your section, our infrastructure. Let me thank Mama Fogo from DBE. Thank you very much, Mama, for taking time to be with us here, as well as other officials from DBE if they are here. Babu Shanas, Siyabonga, Siyawazi umsebenzi elibhekene nawo, kodwa you have taken time to come and be with us here in Pinetown District. The different offices of the department, officials from the NEC office, the office of the DDG, the office of the chief directors that are here. Siyabonga kakhulu ukubona lo chief director babo Babu. I didn't know that you can sing, but again, thank you very much. The office HOD, thank you very much. My colleagues, District Director Itwinlam, District Director thank you very much for being here. In any event, we are a cluster of 4. There is one of us who is not here, that is Dr. Madondo. He will have to explain himself where is he. Among my colleagues coming from Pinetown District, the MENCO, together with the extended MENCO colleagues, thank you very much for being here. The union representatives, COSAS, Siyabonga kakhulu. Staff, former principal, thank you very much. Principal, my brother. This is my brother, anyway. Yeah, my brother got it in the school, as well as your staff, your your SMT, thank you very much. The learners of Solomon Mahlangu, the sponsors that have sponsored the department, as well as the sponsors that have sponsored the school, as the principal was indicating to us. Thank you very much. Ngifuna ukuthi ngisindishe out ku-MEC. Why am I singing MEC this time around? There are things that he talked about that I think it will assist us as Pinetown District. One of Onoma Umphakathi wala economy. Fortunate MEC ngisuka naso lesikole lapha ekubeni ama-mobile. I know history, so I know the history. Yale ndawo yonke ngesikhathi izolonjwa yakhiwe. Siwumphakathi la. Ngifuna ukuthi kubona u-NEC uthe akusiyo. This is not good. This is not talk. This is the valuable asset of the This is the valuable asset of the community of Konopi. So this is saying to us, NEC, we must hold this asset with both hands. Sibambisise, singatholi sekunenye inkulumo engahlangani nale nkulumo esikhuluma ngayo. tell MEC, primary school or primary education is so important. The educators and the principal that is in the school, they must understand ukuthi as a department, they are very much important. Move on, MEC. Mina nguthisha ngokwe-profession. Leyo wena MEC ongayithanda. Uthisha-ke gives the homework. I'm going to give the homework to the DDG and the MEC. The homework ethini na, ethi lo mphakathi uyakhula MEC. As this community growing, we need 3 primary schools. We need at least 2 secondary schools. High school as I identified long ago. Ingapha eceleni ngapha MEC. Yithi seliyobona ukuthi kwenzakalani. But I'm not about that. We are still waiting for the entertainment that will be coming from or be rendered by Ukule Sabela, which is one of our officials in the district. They say, Sibonga Ubakonga Ukulela, SGP, Nabazali, Siabong, Gabe Wiputa, Umangabe Mbonge, program director, chief director. Thank you very much for directing this program, Siabonga. Thank you.